together. She's got an FGB family, never obscene, gotta be PG.
Well, mostly.
Work so hard, and all the while she got a kick in her step, and she's got a twinkle in her smile. Nurse out here.
So I did the bank thing today, and for those that know what the don't, I want to talk properly today. What is today? Today's Thursday. You know what? You know how I did like edit free Fridays or free edit Fridays, whatever they were? I'm gonna do edit free Thursday. I know it doesn't sound as cool, but because I want to fix my speaking and I want to speak properly and pressure myself to do it, that's what I'm gonna do. But I did cut the beginning of this video so that I could shorten what I was trying to say, because I was really messing up. Okay, so it's now, starting now, it's free edit Thursday or whatever. So what I wanted to say was that I did my job at the bank today, where I videotape bank stuff, I guess, and I can't believe how much I understand now. Like, I actually understand what's going on in the bank, and they said that they were going to put it up on the big screen in front of a bunch of people, like a bunch of CEOs and a bunch of people that are members of the bank, and I was like, oh, I never thought that a whole bunch of people were watching them. Like, I never think of that, and it's kind of nerve-wracking, and so I'm working, doing that, and they have to have it by next week, so I have to be lots of editing inside, but I am going outside for one special occasion today. Today is the first day I do box. This wasn't a cut. It was that my camera ran out of space. That's always great. Anyways, what I was saying was I'm doing boxing, and that's exactly how I said it. And then I did some. What else did I do after? I'm just gonna repeat everything I pretty much said. I went boxing, and then I realized that boxing doesn't start with a P. What else? Yeah, that's really about it. I was just saying that I was really excited that I was starting these things, and then I was like, wait, I'm just excited today. Blah, blah, blah. It's not as fun repeating what you just said. It makes it so much harder, and now I'm mad. Anyway, so I'm going to boxing today. I have to stay home pretty much all weekend, if I haven't already said this, to do, what is it, this bank thing. Yeah, this bank thing, because they need it by next week. I might have already all said this, but I'm repeating it just in case, because I don't know how much I didn't get in here. Anyway, kid, that's what she, never mind. I can't edit things out. Cassandra, PG channel, PG channel. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now.
He's got a nice body.
What?
He's wearing velvet pants.
I didn't tell it to say that. I wasn't dancing to it because it was saying those lines. Okay, anyway, so I lied. I'm going to be editing again because Mike was like, let's videotape you doing this thing that you're doing really bad at. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. Ready? Boom. See? That. I didn't even have to edit that. That worked out perfectly the way. I just love, like, anyway, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. And I know it's going to take many edits because we're just going to record and I'm going to fail. You can see some of my fails, so I guess I'll let you see that. Deal. Don't even.
That's better. There you go. And you're putting your toes again.
I'm too delicate.
Here.
Okay.
Pushing up.
Okay.
And then put one out there.
And then, oh, I wasn't recording. Now I am. Okay. Oh, that's so much safer. That's a lot easier. It's still a little scary though. This is squishy. I can't hold on much longer.
Can you guys help me do a photo with Try that again. Alright. I need more of a running.
I just Charlie horsed my butt.
Go. That's teamwork right there.
no.
Getting a door.
Oh no, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up,
Oh no.
hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I know that happened to me.
It's already done, buddy.
Oh. I guess we lose, Johnny. Well lost. Well lost.
She sucks more than I do, though.
What? I was here. You were there. I was here.
He caught up to you.
Yeah, he did.
Is that
And their
what's up?
tiny arms like a T-Rex. Ah.
Ready? Yep. Oh, perfect.
That'll work.
And action.
Observation deck on the front of the boat. You can walk out front. There's like a weird wind vortex that's right on the corners when you enter. So these little like 10-year-old girls would walk in and they'd stand right there and their hair would just it's like being pulled by a vacuum.
Actually, I've had that happen before where I was like walking on the deck of this boat and then my hair blew back and unfortunately I was wearing a skirt that day and it was like poof and I was like, oh, good thing I'm wearing shorts, and then I
Unfortunate for who?
oh. Anyway, sorry, just conversation outside of the YouTube world. This is my new toy, I guess, as Mike quoted it. Yes, it does have a ponytail hole in it. And yes, it is athletics gear. And yes, I wanted to get it so I looked athletic because probably no one thinks I am. I'm athletic. I'm athletic. And I'm not really athletic, but I did boxing today and it was awesome. Oh, but the legs hurt. Oh, they hurt way more than I thought they would. But it's always fun. Knowing that your legs hurt are always fun. This is weird. It's a lot weird. Good thing no one's seeing this except the internet. Yo, Cassandra, you gotta make this quick, okay? And I gotta do it in a one-take kind of way, and I'm really tired, so I have a feeling I'm gonna mess this up. Just two things to say to you. Me has to go in that bed soon, because I have to edit really early in the morning, not only the vlogs, but for the bank, because they need their stuff due really soon, so I have to just consume myself in editing for the next 3 days. But, you know, we'll still somehow make these vlogs interesting together, right? You guys can vlog for me? Okay, sounds good. I'll give you my camera and you guys can just vlog in my house, okay? Sounds good? Okay. I don't know what I was doing there. I just kind of looked around my room like, I'm gonna lay there soon, right? Okay, I'm gonna go to bed and stop saying that I'm gonna go to bed. I can't remember if I wanted to say anything else to you guys today, but boxing, oh my gosh. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, and cardio, oh, me and cardio, don't have it. What was this? Okay, anyway, I heart you all. Good night.